After 2 years behind bars, one of the men charged with Senzo Meyiwa's murder is making a bid for bail. Bongani Ntanzi made a solo appearance before the Pretoria High Court on Thursday to apply for bail. He's one of 5 men who were arrested in 2020 in connection with Meyiwa's murder and are currently standing trial on charges of murder, attempted murder, aggravated robbery, and others. The soccer star was shot dead during an alleged home invasion at his girlfriend singer Kelly Khumalo's home in Vosloorus in 2014. The accused originally abandoned bail, but Ntanzi has since had a change of heart. He is accused number 2 in the case. At the time of his arrest, he was working at Sibanye Gold Mine on the West Rand. Ntanzi is the only one of the 5 accused that hasn't been convicted of a crime in the past. He's also the only one any of the witnesses have positively identified as having been there that night so far. While on the stand, Meyiwa's friend, Tumelo Madlala, identified him as the second intruder to enter the house that night and told the court how Meyiwa had pinned him against the wall. During his bail application, Ntanzi's counsel, advocate Titi Tobane, told the court he could afford to put up 10,000 rand for bail. Ntanzi is facing Schedule 6 offences and as such must show the court that there are exceptional circumstances warranting his release on bail in the interests of justice. Tobane told the court that the case had gone cold and that his client was only arrested after it was reinstated. He says this constitutes exceptional circumstances. He's argued Ntanzi doesn't have a passport and is not a flight risk. He's also agreed to any bail conditions which the court may want to attach. The state is opposing bail. State advocate George Beloy highlighted during his arguments that Ntanzi had been identified by Madlala. He's also told the court that Ntanzi made not 1 but 2 confessions after his arrest, although he now claims he was tortured into doing so. He argued that Ntanzi hadn't been able to show that there were any exceptional circumstances. Judgment was reserved. Bernadette Wicks, Eyewitness News.